Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to do a demo for a new lab. So this one is called Island Biogeography Theory. So before you continue to watch this video, you should read on page 1 and then answer those questions or discuss with your partner, okay? And then flip over on page 2. I am going to start from here, saying count 100 beans into a cup. So basically, I am going to do the simulation of species migrate from a main island to nearby smaller island. Okay, so, and after I do a simulation, you got to count all the species with trial 1, trial 2. So when I'm done with the trial 1, you can pause the video so you can count the species while I clean up to do the trial 2. Okay, here we go. So now you can see at here, I have a ruler. This ruler is according to the instruction. So put the ruler, I know the height where I'm going to drop the species. Here is the 100 beans. Use simulated species here. And then this is just a funnel for me to use it. Okay, so I hold this one, the funnel here. You know what, this one could impact the thing, so I'll put this away. Okay, and then this is trial 1. You should pause here, take data. If the beans are on the line, you can count them. Okay, if not on the line, they're not there. Okay, so you do counting, and then I clean up so we can start for trial 2. Okay. I'm getting all the 100 species back to my cup, and then I can do the second simulation. I'm making sure there's no any other species left around. Okay, here, make sure this one is in the center, you can see. Okay, we're doing the second one, and then I move a direction to compensate if there's any variation because of my orientation. Okay, so here is the second one. This is where I will be. Okay, you pause to count the second one. Oops, make a mistake. Okay, there's no other thing. It was this direction. You can see. So I'm going to stay here with this direction. The third time, okay, so pause to count for the third time. And then I do cleaning, and then we have one more to go. since I'm not able to change it to the other direction, so I move the paper one direction, right this way. Okay, so I go this direction. So this is our last simulation. This one here. Okay, this is your last simulation. Count this one, and then I will do the cleanup. Okay, thank you, everyone.